The query function in Google Sheets is one of the most powerful ways to filter and analyze data without writing complex formulas. It lets you use SQL like commands directly in your spreadsheets to get started. Just select the range you want to analyze, like a full table of data. Then use the query formula to extract exactly what you need. For example, you can write a query to show only rows where the status is complete or where the amount is greater than a certain value. The syntax is simple once you get used to it. Something like, let's say something this on the screen is equal to query, brackets, A1, got a colon, D100, comma, and all these values here. You just got to go put it, and you can even sort or group data like right in the formula, which also like saves you from creating multiple filters or pivot tables. What makes it especially useful is that it updates automatically as new data comes in, so your insights stay fresh without needing constant manual edits. If you're into smart shortcuts like this, follow for more practical Google Sheets tips that actually save time.